Hello, and welcome to the newest addition to our form environment. We call it Associative Match. Our goal is to extend the great form tools to work better with parametric bodies. Stay tuned to see how you can use this new functionality to control parametric T-splines. You can use Associative Match for any application where you want to control T-splines parametrically. Industrial design, mechanical engineering, plastics, automotive, you name it, and it can do it. Say we want to design new legs for the sideboard and chair set. We've already created a leg outline in the form environment, and we created the connection to the case and floor parametrically. I want to attach the form to the parametric model using the match command. This command has been in Fusion 360 for a while, but we've added this new associative tick box. While this seems like a small change, it allows my parametric model to start driving my form. So small, but so powerful. After checking the associative box, I'll select my T-spline edge in my parametric model attached to my sideboard. After that, I'll make the two surfaces tangent. I'll do the same for the T-spline and the bottom of the leg. After I'm done with these two match features, notice two additional items in the browser tree which allow you to edit those features in the future. Once I have this surface created, I can go ahead and patch the two ends and make a solid, then combine this solid with the rest of the leg. I can use the rectangular pattern to add additional legs to the bottom of the dresser. Like any design, rules, needs, and outputs change. Let's assume that a client wanted to change the overall dimension of the legs from 2x2 to 2.5x2.5. In the past, I would need to make the parametric change, then go back into my form environment to do the match command again. Now that we have linked them via the Associative Match tool, I set the parametric to 2.5 and all the legs in my design update. Now you know how to use the new Associative Match functionality in Fusion 360. If you want to keep up to date with what's new, like and subscribe to our channel.